Love, gusto mo kape?
Ulan-ulan. Ha?
Gusto mo kape? Libre kita. Kanta ka muna.
Hindi ba naman ako ng ano?
Kape. Kanta ka muna.
Anong kakantayin ko?
How am I supposed to live without you?
Ha?
How am I supposed to live without you?
Parang di ko alam ang lyrics yan ha. Anong kasi kapay mo na deliver mo sa akin?
Basta, mahal. Spanish latte.
Ha?
Spanish latte.
Teka, hanapin ko lyrics. Tagal pa ba si Carl?
4.
30 minutes pa.
20.
Ah, puta, maano to, mataas to.
Kape nga eh.
Kape ha?
Oo.
Kape ha? Teka, magpa-park ako.
Tagal, mababawasan na yan asukal yung kape mo.
Saglit lang. Nahanap ko pa nga yung lyrics eh. Buti mo lang kung pang Starbucks level yung lilibre mo sa akin.
Malay mo, depende sa kanta mo.
Teka. I could hardly believe it when I heard the news today. I had to come and get it straight from you. Tama ba? They said you were leaving. Someone swept your heart away. From the look upon your face, I see it's true.
Sige, depende ah.
So tell me all about it. Tell me about the plans you're making. Oh, tell me one thing more before I go. Tell me, how am I supposed to live without you?
Ah, galing ah.
Nakikinig ka eh.
Kabal mo.
Now that I've been loving you so long, how am I supposed to live without you? And how am I supposed to carry on? Yung sungit mo? When all that I've been living for is gone. Tama na!
Wow,
Libre mo na
sige
ako kape.
na. Oh, bakal na ng 3 and 1.